Hello all, welcome to this video with ElementsCAD and Vectorworks. I want to show you in this video some further examples what you can design with the new beam tool within Elements. I insert a beam and draw a line. Let's make it 4 meters. And I can define the width as well here, 120 for example. And now I make Command D in order to make a duplicate and Control left to make a rotation. I make the pitch with 0 degrees and yes, I put it here example, and I want to put it here like this and go to the top plan view. Now I want to distribute the items and I draw a line, and now I get all these items in the drawing. But the interesting part I want to show you is here that I can directly, because we have here an intersection, and I can define here automatically in the info palette a beam intersection. And now you see that all beams directly get this cut out. Let's make further examples. I go to a new layer. I use again the beam tool. I draw a line with a length, let's make 3 meters, and a width with 200 millimeters, and a height, yes, okay, we'll leave it with 160 millimeters. But now I make a pitch with 90 degrees. So this means I have here the beam, and I go to the front view, go to multiple points, and now I can define a duplicate beam, and I make here a duplicate, and now I go to my initial beam, and I can define with place connector a new connector. But now as I have a pitch with 90 degrees, the bottom is here. You can orient at the line you see there when you when I escape. Then here we have the bottom and the top, but here we have the bottom area, and I go to a place connector bottom, and here I want the top position, and so I get a connector here. I activate the connector, go to ElementsCAD and make an extrude, and now I can go directly here, and now I activate the beam again, and here I see again this is the bottom, so I go to the bottom, and here I can add a connector, and I click to the connected vertical beam, and now I have a connector here. Yes, I activate it again, and I have 2 connectors because one connector belongs to the horizontal beam and the other one is already connected with the vertical beam. And now I can easily make, for example, a mortise and tenon connection. Here I can rotate the connector, I can change the width, I can make a setback and make a radius. And same goes for the other side. I have the connectors and I say I make mortise and tenon connection, rotate the connector, make a setback, another width and a radius. So you see that it's very easy to get such connections, and sometimes I have to make an actualization, but consider that all these connections are directly exported to Hundegger's Cambium. I make another design layer and draw again in the top plane view a panel. This could be 20 millimeters, and I can go to the front view and make, for example, an inclination of 80 degrees, and I can make some duplicates with the beam position tool. And I can mirror everything, and now I can, for example, use the tool. I can define here as well a specific contour, however I like. And all items are cutted in this contour. So here I am absolutely flexible how I want to design the result. I make another example, and I want to go to another layer, make again a beam within the top plane view. I make pitch with 0 degrees, and let's take a look at again at the place connector button. I make at the right side at the middle a connector, activate the connector, and now I make with the convert command an extrude, and now I have here again 2 connectors, one connector for the horizontal and one for the vertical beam. They are already connected. So now I can have here as well drillings. For the drillings I can define series drillings, means I can make, for example, 5 drillings or 3 drillings, and I can make here a distance with 30 millimeters, and the same I can make here with 3 drillings and as well 30 millimeters. And now I can make here an offset in both directions, so I can put it not 300 but 30 millimeters or minus 30 millimeters. So I have here the option to make explicit drillings with specific distances. I go to the actualization, and now I have the needed drillings. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for taking your time. Goodbye.